Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check the spam folder and create spam filters in Gmail. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So, to check the spam folder from a mobile device, open your Gmail application, tap on three bars at the top left, scroll down, now you can see the spam folder, tap on that, and happy me, nothing in spam. And if you want to create spam filters, you need to open your Gmail account from web browser and then go to your inbox and select some letters from the companies and people you trust. Next, click on these three dots, which are labeled More, and go to Filter Messages like this. And now we will apply filter to the messages from that addresses in this field From. So click on Create Filter and check Never Send it to Spam. That's pretty it. Just create filter and you're all set. Hope this was helpful, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.